Hey guys, so big news from the upcoming Layer 3 airdrop, and let's get straight to that. Here you can see Layer 3 basically raised additional $50 million a few days ago, June 12. So 4 days ago they raised extra $15 million. So the total funding is 21 million. Before it was around 6 million, which means that this airdrop probably got 2 or 3 times bigger than it was before. And also, I predicted this in my previous Layer 3 videos. I said that I think they will raise more funds, and they actually raised more funds, which is bullish because if you know, I basically talked about this project a few months ago, quite early, not the earliest, but you still can get in the top 1,000 cube collectors, and I will explain you how you can participate and basically qualify for the airdrop number 2. This is what you do. You go to rewards, and here you will see the airdrop 1 is basically the snapshot is already taken and saved. Here you can see all my stats, which doesn't matter. Let's go to airdrop 2. So airdrop 2 is basically here you can see my experience points, my cubes. I already minted 189 cubes, although I haven't been that active right now. This is what matters. The volume matters. I need to get a much bigger volume. The quests, how many GMs you have. I have 81 GM streak, and what you want to do, you go on this website, and right here on the bottom you will get the GM streak, and you will click it, and you will just continue your GM streak, which probably matters for airdrop as well. So let's get back to the airdrop. You can earn points by having a referrals. I have only 19 referrals so far, so this is not a big, basically big number. My total experience points is 40,000. This will matter. And how you can get a more experience points. This is what you do. You go on the Layer 3 main website. You go on this My Progress tab. The first one is the next reward. And here you will see all your rewards. You can claim gems, you can open rare chests, and you can get a 3x boost. So when you get a 3x boost, you activate, and you will get a 3x boost for the next 24 hours for your experience points. That's why I have 40,000, which is quite a lot. And another way you can get your points is, the other way you can get a 3x boost if you don't have this achievement unlocked, you can buy with gems. Visit shop, and here you can see 20 gems, 3x multiplier. This is the best, I think, the best way you can spend your gems. Also, if you want to increase your volume, trading volume, and bridge volume, you can use these. You will spend less fees by using these discounts. The bridging will not be for free, the trading will not be for free, but you will exactly see the amount that they are taking in the fees. That's why I recommend you to, when you are basically trying to increase your volume and trading volume, the bridge volume, use the discount. And when you are making experience points, when you're minting cubes, use the 3x XP boost. And what you want to do, you basically go on the new, you will see all the latest quests that you can do. I have so many quests that I have to still do. For example, you can do streaks. These are easy. You can swap on Cello, do any transaction on Scroll Mode, Zora, Base. Let's see. I have a transaction I made on Base today. So I have done my 5-day streak, and here you can see 25 experience points and mint a extra cube. Let's do that. Only 27 cents, and I will get more cubes. This will probably give me a bigger airdrop number 2 allocation because you are spending money for minting these cubes. This means you're earning money for the Layer 3 Foundation for this basically platform. That's why they will reward you. And right here you can see I just unlocked my gems. Let's claim my gems. Here you can see I added more gems. I can buy at least 11 3x boosters, which is quite nice. We will need those later, and that's basically how you qualify for the airdrop number 2. And again, they raised additional $15 million. The total is 21 million. Here you can see all the basically investors: Immutable, Parafai Capital. You can see in the pre-seed there was a Balaji seed investor, Sandeep. I think this is a basically co-founder of Polygon. So this is a legit and very good airdrop opportunity. That's why I'm recommending you do it. All the links are in my description. And one more thing I wanted to share is, if you don't want to miss on any crypto alpha, I created my Patreon channel where I post daily. I've started to post recently, so there will be daily posts on any alpha that I get on crypto, NFTs, and airdrops and more. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT alpha, this is where I will be posting every single day, multiple times a day. And that's basically what I want to say in this video. So if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha, press that like, press that subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any valuable alpha. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.